In this video, I'm gonna be decorating my table for fall. I'm so excited to start decorating my table because I'm going with a fall inspired theme, but it's a little bit different because of my center. I'm using this beautiful swan here on my table. I just think she looks so nice with all of the dried picks inside. Like, oh gosh, like all of the colors just look so nice to me. They scream a fall to me, even though this isn't like a pumpkin or anything like that. I just think it's so nice. This shelf here in my Hutch is the main focus. I feel like when you look at the Hutch, the first thing you see is this middle section right here on the top of the Hutch. So I always try to decorate it really nice. I found this beautiful glass swan at the thrift store and I thought it would look beautiful filled with pumpkins. And that one pumpkin that I have right here, this one that's kind of the same color of the haystack, is from Hobby Lobby. I just think it really goes well together with all of the colors that I have going on right here. I think it looks so beautiful. To decorate my table, I'm going to be using a lot of leaf decor. These placemats are from Hobby Lobby, and then this year when I was thrifting, I found these beautiful Mikasa leaf plates that you guys will see. That inspired me to use leaf decor here on my table, and I think it came out beautiful. Everything that I'm using, I pretty much had already. The copper is probably the newest addition to my table, and my daughter actually found them at a yard sale. The only thing that I bought on Amazon were the copper smaller cups that you guys will see here on my table, and I tried looking for them on Amazon and I can't find them anymore. I've had them for several years now, so I'm not sure if they still sell them or not. These beautiful wooden leaves are from Hobby Lobby. I think they are beautiful. I want to say you can use them as a charcuterie board, a cutting board. I'm going to be using it here as a charger, and I think it looks really beautiful. The only thing was that I couldn't figure out like the placement because of the bottom leaf. So I just kind of moved it around and it still came out really nice. The beautiful gourds that I found at Kohl's. I am so excited to have these in my collection because a couple of years ago they had some at Pottery Barn that I wanted to purchase and I didn't buy them, and I could not find them the following year. But you guys, I found these. I think they cost me like $17, around there. I can't remember the exact price, but they are beautiful. They're like I don't know if it's like a thin glass, I don't know, but it has this opening on the bottom. You can fill it up with your lights, or you can just leave it blank. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I like the look of it. I just think it looks really pretty. But look how nice, and look at the stem on here. I bought 2 of these. This is the other gourd that I found, and this one is my favorite, you guys. Look how beautiful it looks. This one actually lights up, but like I said, the other one you can just put your lights in it and leave the battery pack on the bottom. But this one is so beautiful. It does have a timer as well. I think it's, let me see, yeah, it just says timer on here. I think it's so beautiful, especially because I don't have to worry about turning them on. So I'm gonna turn them on, and I'm pretty sure they will turn off and turn on tomorrow. But look at the beautiful stem, and look how nice it looks when it lights up. I'm so excited to have this one in my collection too. I love the gourds, they're so beautiful. I like them more than pumpkins. finished decorating the table, and I think this is probably one of my favorites. I love fall decor so much. If you guys have not seen any of my fall tablescapes, I'm gonna link them down below. Maybe I'll do like a fall tablescape marathon. I think that would be so nice to see like the different tablescapes that I've done, but this is probably one of my favorite ones. I say that like every year. I think I like the one with the gold plates. I really like that one as well. And then the one I did last year with the brown buffalo check tablecloth that I had, I thought that one was really nice too. And now this one, I tried to keep it a little bit more simple this year and not buy a tablecloth, just because I feel like the tablecloth gets dirty so quick in my house, and then I throw it in the wash and throw it in the dryer, and then I don't want to iron it, and I don't like to put my tablecloth like all wrinkled on the table. So I kind of feel like, not like it's a waste, but I feel like that's for maybe like Thanksgiving Day, where I'm gonna have it all nice and decorated. So I don't know, maybe if I find one, because I do have my table usually decorated for Thanksgiving with like all of my Christmas decor all up. So I do have my table decorated for Thanksgiving for that special day, but let me show you guys around. I think it looks so beautiful.